Alright, welcome to Club Joey. What's this now? I got these babies trained out here. We're a little bored today. I got them, they catch it right in the air, right next to the boat. We gotta get them closer for us. These boys all worked up. Ready? There's one cool one, he comes real close. See if we can keep this on going here. It's kinda hard to focus. Where's my buddy? Watch, he'll come right up. Come on. Come on. Here he comes. Yeah, I don't know if I got it. It's hard to focus what I'm doing in the camera at the same time here. But... how's that? Come on, where's the good one? See what else we got here. I'm giving them all my food. I'm going to be starving here. I'm having so much fun. Here he is. He's the one good one. He comes really close. He ain't afraid like the other ones. I like that one. He's my friend. There he is. Ready? Oh, missed it. My shot. My fault. I'm too busy with the camera. It's hard to work all this. I got a lot going on here. I had these cookies on board for like 3 months, so I guess I could, you know, like half. I don't know, not too bad. Ready? There's the smart ones. Ready? I want to see if I can get them to take it out of my hand. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, sorry. I know I'm not throwing it too good. There he comes. Yeah. They're pretty easy to train. They all want food like everybody. Like all life. Like Joey. Yeah, right, see if we can get him up here. Ready? Here we go. Come on, baby. Closer. You gotta come a lot closer if you want one. Where's the smart one? There he comes. Oh, he did a big shit. Don't be shitting on the boat. Hold on. Oh, look at this guy. All right, hold on. I'll tell you what. You can have this whole fucking cookie. If you take it out of my hand, you can have the whole cookie. Anybody. Cookie. The whole cookie. The whole thing. Look at it. It's a giant fucking cookie. Who wants it? Who wants it? Anybody? Nah. They're not that friendly, huh? I don't know. I think I'd be more scared than they would be. Oh, I hit him in the head. Alright, we're almost out of cookies. I gave 2 pieces of bread, all the leftover Doritos. They love the Doritos. That guy's pretty good. A couple of them can catch pretty good. Come on, you gotta come close if you want it. We ain't giving this food away for nothing here. This is, you know, classic Club Joey. Yeah, get you close. Oh, look at Max is looking at the cookies. She's like, boy, these birds are loving them. Max is loving it too. She's like, yeah, look at all the excitement here with these crazy things. Hey, there's some Frenchmen. French sailboat coming in. Oui, oui. Bonjour. Let's see what we can get here. Come on. Come on. Coast Guard's loving this. Alright, that's it for now. A little excitement. Coach's got to come back in. It's a French or a Holland boat over there. Club Joey.